What is going on, my Meta Millionaires? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip, guys. We had an action-packed video, so let's just get to it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna roll right with it, man. We got an action-packed video. It's a Friday. I know you guys are busy, so let's get to the action. Of course, you know the big company news. Meta announced to agree to acquire Nanotech Security Corp for $90 million. That was published here on August the 5th. Go here, you can kind of read the article. I just wanted to let you know that this transaction has happened. You can check out their stock on the OTC that they purchased this Nanotech Security. Ticker symbol is NTSFF. They are a leader in developing secure and visually memorable nano-optic security features that provide anti-counterfeiting solutions used in government and banknote and brand protection markets in all cash transactions. Very interesting. At Canadian $1.25 per Nanotech common share for a total of approximately $90.8 million. I believe that's Canadian. So there's a lot of great information down here. They talk about the Experience Manufacturing Group, the Nano Photonics R&D team. There's just so much information. Go check it out, guys. We got a lot to cover. If you go here to the Nanotech website, the company that they are purchasing, you go to their press releases, and boom, right there it is. They haven't had an update since June 28th, but the big one came today. And I believe we go here to their main page. It's a pretty nice looking website, I must say. As you can see here, it got the banknote, we got the vault and all there. Talks about everything. So go check out their website, guys, and what they're acquiring. A lot of great information. What I will do is put this website down maybe in the pinned comments so you guys can go do your due diligence on the Nanotech website. What I wanted to get in here is cover the social media news that's going on. That's right. So we're going here to the official MetaMaterials Twitter page. And we scroll down here, and Meta has a big, bold innovation vision. Now we need someone to produce the graphic content created to tell a story. As a Meta senior graphic designer, they're hiring for a senior graphic designer. So if anyone is out there doing that, go apply. Also, they announced here, where we just covered, they agreed to acquire Nanotech Security for $90 million in Canadian. This one down here kind of fits me in a sense. Love numbers, detail-oriented, keen to support growth of a cutting-edge, innovative organization. If it sounds like you, check out our opening for an accountant in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. George, I don't live in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, but I have 18 plus years of banking experience. That would be so cool to get a job with MetaMaterials, being an accountant now. I'm not officially an accountant, but I got a lot of banking experience. So a little bit of training, I'm sure I could be right up in there doing those numbers for you, man. So George, if you see this, shoot me a message, man. Can I work from home or something? I got an office here, yo. I got an office. I got a laptop. I got the whole screens. We can do the whole deal. But how cool would that be to get to work for a company that you love? So anyway, moving forward, I believe that's it on. Yes, that is it for that. Moving forward to George's Twitter page, we are really, the farther you stick in this video, the more interesting it's going to be. George here 7 minutes ago puts out an excellent video on the metamaterial science and the history of cloaking application, as well as a few others. This YouTube video was back in October of 2006. It says where this started at. Now, I didn't go ahead and watch this video. I wanted to bring this to your attention. Now, we're going to get into some interesting stuff. You got George retweeting CNN. For the first time, scientists have detected light from behind a black hole, and it fulfills predictions rooted in Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Isn't that kind of interesting post there? 11 hours ago, George said, a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape from it. In other news, here is a great innovation, hashtag dark pools. This is just funny that George is tweeting this stuff out, guys. Here it says the Forbes article, SEC looking closely at dark pools. Here's what they are and why. This is getting juicy, I must say, with the dark pool. Here's where George tweeted about picking up the Nanotech as well. And I believe for George, yes, that is it. Moving forward, you saw in a video a couple days ago, I said where the Torch X Meta page is down because they got a new one here. It's MMAT News. That is the new page. They just renamed it. So this is the page that you want to be following. So if you like to get news, this is a pretty reputable company, man. Reputable site. They have over 7,000 followers. I think they're pretty accurate on what they put out. They care about the future of Meta, so they're not going to put a bunch of BS out here. So we scroll down here. They got here the upcoming catalyst. Let's just go over this real quick. This was posted a couple days ago, but let's go over it. Upcoming catalyst. They got earnings coming on August the 9th. They got expected press release after quiet period ending on 8/9. They got the Police Expo event 8/24 through 8/25, the laser glare protection demonstration, and we got a reality event, AWE AR event 9/9 through 9/11. Now that's going to be pretty exciting. What did I do here? Did I mess it up? There we go. All right. Thank you for staying there, guy. I don't know what happened there. 3 hours ago, they posted here, MMAT, our stock is being manipulated by the shorts. 60% of total volume has gone to the dark pool today, with an average of 60% over the past 20 days. Just going to drop this manipulation evidence here. He tagged the SEC director and George Polkaris himself. And here, if we click on this, here it has, let's make sure I'm in the way, and I'm not. Perfect. MMAT dark pool trades. Dark pool trades, a report of MMAT counted for 60%. Over the past 20 days, the volume has been 60%. The total dark pool volume is 7.3 million. The VWAP price for only dark pool trades are 3.34. And you can see the numbers down here, right there. Dark pool, 60.3. So, very interesting, guys, on this information. I'm trying to see where they exactly got this information at, but it is very interesting. Then they also put down here, not to mention the SEC has Meta listed as oil and gas again. What is the deal with the SEC messing up our company? We are a metamaterials / semiconductor company. Why are we under oil and gas again? Man, I'm getting my words twisted because I'm just so whatever. They did post here of the acquisition. The nanotech is gold. Some highlights. Nanotech has 47 patents, 22 pending with MMAT patents now. Total of 210 patents. Zero debt. 11-acre land with 35,000 foot high security production facility. Multi-year 30 million contract with a top 10 central bank. That is exciting, guys. That's right. They got a picture here. If we click it, talks about the metamaterials market forecast. Just upward. That's what this is looking like in the future if our market can turn around. And if we go here and look at this one, posted 7 hours ago, getting a little bit more interesting. MMAT. The CEO of Meta is constantly spreading awareness of shorts and manipulation, with the stock being down more than 80% since the merge. Analysts are expecting a short squeeze for the stock. And if we click this here, MMAT short squeeze incoming. Today, the CEO of the company shared information about dark pools and how the stock is being manipulated. MMAT announced a press release of the 90 million acquisition with Nanotech Security Corp today. And according to Fintel, 300,000 short sale brought the price significantly down. That's right. We covered that in yesterday's video on the Fintel website. So if you didn't see it, make sure you go check it out. MMAT is currently one of the top stocks qualified for a short squeeze, with the stock being down more than 80% since the merge, indicating a high oversold status. According to the T35 rule, this enforces the period of shorts have time to cover after the merger date. There it is, guys. The due diligence is just adding up on this. Also, CEO of manipulation of the stock, George commented down here where he was mad back on July the 14th, where they had it listed as oil and gas. We are semiconductor. We also got back here, they did the same post, it looks like, yes, of the dark pools. They also retweeted about, George retweets about the dark pools and how the SEC is going to be looking into that. We also got Metamaterials and Nanotech Management will host a webcast on August the 5th. So they did this, well, I don't know what time that was, but that probably happened here sometime today. And what else we got here? All kind of news. MMAT after suspension, Meta is up 11% based on news of acquired Nanotech, which we did cover that it did go up, but it kind of came right back down. And what's this here? MMAT will resume at 9 p.m. News and resumption times halted 8:25. So they actually put a stop on the stock when it was going up. Like, what, really? And there's the news they retweeted on that. And I believe that is it, guys. So that is all the updates that I have for you. I just wanted to bring everything to your attention. So like I said, a little longer than what I was hoping this video to be. But there was just so much I had to cover. On my channel here recently, my evening videos, I've been doing all the FinTel numbers. I've been creating the spreadsheets of each day, how many shares are being shorted, along with the total value of the shares. So in today's video, I wanted to focus on just the news that's been going around Meta in the last day or two here, because there was a lot to cover, so I had to put out its own video. So guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Maybe I'll be out later tonight with the updated FinTel numbers. If you're interested in that, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and be a part of the live premiere, man. It's fun. We have a great time. So have a great weekend, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.